what we want to do first, next, is we want to add a ribbon around the bottom of our cake. This is a cloth ribbon. You can add a fondant ribbon if you want. I liked this ribbon because I thought it was fun. So I'm going to take it and I'm going to measure a section so I know how far it has to go. And it's that much on the bottom. And I'm going to put it here, and then I'm going to take a little bit of black royal and attach it with that. Now you always want to make sure when you are serving this cake that you remind them to take the ribbon off. You never know. You don't want somebody trying to eat the ribbon and then getting mad at you. So we're going to put that on there and attach it on the bottom. You always want to do that in the back. So this is the back of my kitty, so I'm actually going to slide this around so the attachment is in the back right there. And then we're going to do the same on this level. And we're going to measure it. So you can see I'm just cutting it right past where it is, where it meets. Let me get over here so I have a good angle to cut. And if you don't get a nice clean cut, sometimes you want to fold it over. Fold the little piece of fabric over if you don't have a nice cut. This ribbon cuts very cleanly and you don't really see an edge, so I don't need to fold it over. And so again, I'm going to put just a little bit of royal on here, bring it around to the back, and attach it. So we've got that, but we are not done yet. We want to make our little kitty look like it's walked all over the cake. So I'm going to take my black royal and I'm going to make little kitty prints. So I'm going to start at the top and I'm going to make a couple of them and then I'll show you how I do them. So the way the kitty prints paws work is they have one big circle and 3 little circles, which look like that. You can see. So we're going to make it look like he has walked up on the cake. So we're going to do all the way around with these little kitty paw prints. So it makes it look like he came from behind and crawled up to here. Actually this way, he's going to come this way, around and down. So I'll go ahead and do these while you watch and you'll see how it looks in the end. All right, so I was making these paw prints and this one got a little too thick and the royal looked like it was about to drip. So before it did that, I actually took a little bit with my finger and got a little bit of it off and wiped it, because if it's too thick, it's going to drip down your cake and you don't want drippy kitty prints. You want nice little flat, small kitty prints that aren't dripping. So we're just going to do little tiny dots. So I'm doing a circle and then a couple of 3 dots around it, so you can see those are my little paw prints. So there you have it. It's our cute little naughty kitty cake. We've got our little footprints like the kitty came and walked all over your cake and planted himself right on the top. It's a perfect little cake for a wedding, for cat lovers, or maybe if somebody's just adopted a cat and they need a little cake to celebrate. I'm Monika Stout with YummyArts.